Guys, in this video I'm gonna explain how this car works. Let's start by getting the engine to work. First, we unlatch these two latches, one of each side, and then we pull the hood, which is in the back. Getting in this position, we then open the fuel tank, add fuel, which in this case is gasoline. We open the fuel, turn on the key, and then pull the cord, and it's ready to go. After that, we can close the hood and latch the hood. The car is all made with metal, with chrome grille, headlights, turn signals, horn, motorcycle wheel, fake exhaust, and a glove box. In the front, we have a leaf spring, and in the back we have a solid axle, which means there's no suspension in the back. Here's the front suspension working. The process by getting in is very easy because the car doesn't have a roof. You just step inside and you are in. Here are the dashboard. We have the left turn signal with the light, the right turn signal with the light, the headlights with the light indicator. Here is what we put the key to start the engine. By the way, the engine you can start by pulling the cord or turning the key. Here are the battery voltage. That's the clock, and down here is the horn. So here are the handbrake, and here are the gear selector. To go into first, you just pull in, and to go into reverse, you just pull out. In the middle, you have the neutral. Here are the gas pedal, and that's the brake pedal. Alright, so now let's get this thing to a speed test. So as you guys can see, the top speed of this car is around 17 miles an hour. The speed is good considering you can't drive this car in public roads, only in particular roads or parades, etc. That's the dinosaur I showed you guys previously video, and next video I'm gonna show you the process of making this next car. I hope you guys enjoyed it.